Here we like to utilize a lot of technology, but the technology is definitely directed to make the patient experience better. Technology that we use is an intraoral scanner. So this allows us to provide patients with restorations in the same day. So whether it's a single crown, whether it is a large porcelain filling that we have to do, the patient comes in and they actually leave with their final restoration. In some cases, when we're doing digital smile design, we can even use it to do anywhere from about 4 to 6 veneers in a single visit. Another technology we use is our CT cone beam. And that is a great tool because it has many abilities beyond just taking a CT scan. It allows us to find infectious lesions in teeth because I can actually isolate one tooth and then provide a 3D image of that tooth. So I can actually turn that tooth, look through slices of that tooth and find out, is there a fracture, is there decay, is there an abscess that we can't see in a regular radiograph.